this year ILPA BSS 2020 edition has started today in ITC Shonar, and it is progressing very good with a good number of international buyers and Indian buying houses visiting this fair, where some of the best leather goods manufacturers from the Eastern Zone are exhibiting their product in individual rooms in the ITC Shonar.
Hi, I'm Naveen Saigal from Wallace Plus, Calcutta. We are part of this ILPA Leather Goods Show, Buyer Seller Meet 2020, and I feel very excited about this show. Very well organized, and even the customers which have been invited are also very high quality, and I look forward that we'll be able to generate some good business and plus able to make Calcutta as a buying zone for all the customers worldwide. And I feel that this fair should keep on growing and growing with all the members contributing, and I think we can make it a big success.
ILPA is an organization from last 32 years and is an organization for the controlling 140 to 50 members, exporter. Then we have a Freya school, then we have a common facility center in the Bantalla, then we have an office in Chatterjee International to coordinate with all the issues with the government, with the labor, with the problems. So our ILPA solve everybody's problem. So ILPA is playing very big role, and that's the reason. And also ILPA is promoting the product. Like this BSS, Buyer Seller Summit, this is our second edition. And this is the main focus for this one is to create the B2B with buyer seller together, and we are not displaying like an open individually room where they can talk and discuss for the long-term business plan.
In this region of India, Calcutta is the major producing sector for leather goods bags. And the idea of holding this summit was to introduce to the customers all over the world this capability that we have. And therefore, we organized this on a very B2B fashion. It's a very exclusive event where the customer is invited and they are only coming here by invitation. The manufacturers are chosen who are going to be participating in this B2B. They get a showroom inside a room, and it's very exclusive. So this is the whole idea how this was built, the BSS, and it is only growing from strength to strength every year. We have a particular date like the 28th and 29th of January. We think it is the right time for customers who wish to build on their new future collections, and this is the time when we are hoping that in years to come, anybody who want to work in the Calcutta region, they will mark these days to come in Calcutta and make their sourcing. Slowly we hope to make this event bigger and bigger in years to come. It can only happen with more and more recognition by the buyers and the participation of our members.
course, we would want Mr. Jagdish Kamal Gulati, the President of ILPA. Thank you so much, ma'am.
This is our second edition of BioCell Summit, which tracked last year. It was a great success, so we will continue it because this is a more closer relation with the buyer and seller. It's called B2B, but not in open area. It is the individually room allotted to each participant, where the customer can go and discuss and give a detail their concept. So this is a really different concept we created, where people have got a very good appreciation for that.
Germany is the biggest buyer of Indian leather products in Europe. The other connection is that a very well-known member of yours, of ILPA, happens to be the chairman of the Indo-German Chamber of Commerce.
But beyond these historical notes, I have to say that we have changed very interesting impressions with ILPA today to contribute to a project of a design school in Kolkata that crosses the simultaneous experiences in the leather sector and to build a bridge between Italy and Kolkata for fashion design and new materials. So let's try the next step to mobilize the most suitable tools for the project.
It's encouraging to experience a new buyer selling format, which we've enjoyed very much and we've been welcomed. But it's also more encouraging to see the investment on the tannery side and the challenges that the tannery and the manufacturing of leather products actually faces. And it's very, very encouraging that ILPA are facing up to the challenge of exactly the words that have been said: sustainability, traceability, and all the problems that have been forefronted with the leather industry. It's warming to know that I've travelled the world, I've resourced leather for 40 years, that actually in Calcutta you're facing up to the genuine challenges that we face as retailers to be able to be transparent in the product that we put into our shops.
My name is Dennis O'Connor. I come from South Africa. I have a small online business. I previously worked for a company called Busby Leather Goods in South Africa. I've been serving here for some 28 years, twice, 3 times a year, and always via Calcutta. It's an honor to be here and a privilege. It's great to have the sellers and the suppliers, the sellers and the buyers all under one roof. Very convenient, and I thank you for putting the summit together.
This setup is new for me. It's nice, good setup. It's quite compact and liking it, and thank you for inviting us. Thank you very much.
Indian Leather Products Association as one organization, then we are probably one of the biggest leather goods manufacturer organization of the whole world. So what do we have here? We have one of the biggest leather supplies, leather goods. We've got massive support coming in from the state government under the leadership of our Chief Minister, Shri Mamata Banerjee. We've got Amit Mitra sir who's supporting us. We've got Rajesh Pandey sir who's supporting us. What else do we need? With all the perfect mix today, I think we are hitting a position of nothing beyond, nihil ultra. That's what we used to study in our college times. There's nothing beyond. And I think our customers, our prospects, you are in the right place. You are exactly where you need to be. And I think we were told by our grandparents that you need to be at the right place at the right time doing the right thing. And I guess both suppliers and customers here are probably doing that.
And look at what magic is happening today. This is true magic. May God bless the organization ILPA for many more years of magic.
Going to be from Cryo Group. They are the biggest exporters of Eastern India.